Hello everyone and welcome to your own channel Keshav Jha King's Lab. So today we have chapter 4 which is comprehension passage and we are doing part 3. We already uploaded part 2, two parts of comprehension passage and 3 chapters completely on my channel. I have already discussed the previous year questions topic wise of active and passive and also narration and vocabulary. These questions are uploaded topic wise since 2018. Okay, and actually I was not feeling well for past couple of days and therefore I was unable to upload any video on my channel. But let's just hope I'm not in good best of my health, but I have to work and this is my work and I am working this for you. So please support me, and if you have any problem regarding voice, I really want your forgiveness. Okay. So without any further ado, let's start the topic. Today we are going to do a previous year question which came in May 2018 from of comprehension passage. See, comprehension passage is an essential part and it is question number 7 part 1 and it always come for 5 marks. So it's very important that you work on this portion because it can give you directly 5 marks if you put 2 to 3 minutes in it. Okay. So here is the paragraph. It was question number 7. A. A life of action and danger moderates the dread of death. It not only gives us fortitude to bear pain, but teaches us at every step the uh, precarious, precarious tenure on which we hold our present being. That means if you are living a life in which you have action or danger, it is possible that you would not have the fear of death. Okay, it not only gives us fortitude to bear pain, because if we are having a life of action we can bear pain, but teaches us that every step the precarious tenure on which we hold our present being, means you learn how to live in present. Sedentary and studious men, so people who do not move too much and who likes to study only, are the most apprehensive on this score, means they fear the death most. Okay, it means they fear the death. The people who are good in study, who likes to study, who do not move too much, it's a research that they dread of death. Okay, they have a fear of death more. Dr. Johnson's was an instance in point. So Dr. Johnson is a good example of this. A few years seemed to him soon over. For him, a few years was soon over, compared with those sweeping contemplation on time and infinity with which he had been used to pose himself. In the still life of a man of letters, there was no obvious reason for a change. He might sit in an armchair and pour out cup of tea. To all eternity would it had been possible for him to do so? So it's not possible that you just sit on a chair or you just go read. It's not possible. It's not a possible life for a long term. Okay. You have to make value. You have to add value in your life. You have to, have a, you have to go out. Basically, this paragraph is saying you have to go out. You have to face the challenges. You cannot just run from it in your study. The most racial cure, the most racial cure after all for the inordinate fear of death is to set a just value on life. That if you add value in your life is beautiful. Okay. If we may wish to continue on the scene, let me just read it again. What is saying that if we mere wish to, a small wish, to continue on the scene to indulge our headstrong humor and a tormenting passion, we had a better be gone at once. Okay, it's not good to just die every day in a fear of death. Just die once, while die every day, every second of in fear of death. And if we only cherish a fondness for existence according to the good we desire from it, the pang we feel at parting it will not be very severe. Means if you are losing your life, it won't be that bad because you know that you have enjoyed your life, you have lived a life. Okay, so that's what the topic was all about in 2018. Okay, now let me read the questions now. What type of people are afraid of death and why? It's a 1 mark question, so you can write in a sentence or a word. So here it is the thing. Sedentary and studious men are most comprehensive on this score, means they have more afraid of death. Okay. Why? Why they have why they afraid more? Because they don't have the danger, they don't have the action, they don't have the too much value in their life. Okay. So how can we get rid of fear of death? So how can we get rid of fear of death? You can follow a life of action and danger, or you can fill just value in your life. So there are two reasons. Let me write it. So there are two reasons. For question 2, we can say you can lead a life which has action and danger, like Indiana Jones, or should I say the Ghost Rider. You cannot live in fear, something like this. You cannot live in fear. When Cage says that, I am really fond of that movie. Okay. So if you have action and danger in your life, you have less fear of death. Okay. And also if you have value in your life. Okay. If you add value in your life, then also you will fear less of death. Now the question number third is, what idea do you form about Miss Dr. Johnson's from this passage? So it's been said that Dr. Johnson's was an instance in point, means Dr. Johnson was a second kind of person. We can say about question number 3 that Dr. Johnson was second type of person. He was studious, okay, and hardworking. Not hardworking. I can say lazy or relaxed. Relaxed can be a word. Okay. Basically, he was studious. He doesn't like action in his life. Okay. He was second type of person. Now we have this question. Write a summary of the passage. So the summary of a passage is 2 marks. Now you have to write at least 2 to 3 lines about it. I am giving just a glimpse. You can write on your own. For me, it says the people who have action and adventure in their life are less afraid of death. We can reduce this fear by adding value in our life. So this was point 1, this was point 2. We can say that studious and literature loving people are more afraid of death. And fourth point is Dr. Johnson is a good example to understand. Okay. So these are my points. You can have your own points. Okay. You can write, because it's a summary and everyone has their own understanding. This is what I think about this paragraph. Also, you can have the suggested answer by ICAI. It is on their website. But if you want, I also have that suggested answer. So I will put the link in the description box. You can watch from there. Okay. I will put a link in your description box. You can just click on it and you will have the suggested answer given by ICAI. Okay. Now this is what I had about comprehension. I can go for November 2018, then again May 2019, and there are so many questions of comprehension. But if I go every question, I go to through the every question in a single video, it will be at least an hour long or more than an hour long, and I don't want you to feel too bored in the video. So that's why I just settled with one question. But if you want that I do separate videos on these, I can do. Or what I am suggesting, that I can solve, like I solved the July 28 2021. You can watch that in my channel. I have analyzed the whole question paper of BCR of July 2021, and I can do that for all the question previous year question paper. So if you want that, please comment on my comment. Please comment, and if I have a good response that okay, people want to watch more videos about the analysis of previous year question paper, I will make separate videos for each question paper till now since 2018. Okay, I will have separate question paper discussion. Okay, so that's been said. That's a wrap up for today's video, and I am wrapping up the comprehension passage also. Okay, there are more examples you can practice. If you have any doubt, my comment section is open. You can ask there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe it, I don't know why you didn't. Please subscribe my channel, and if you want and if you like that your friends uh, should see this video, please share this video. And if you have any suggestion, any complaint or anything, please comment on my comment under my comment box. Okay, thank you for your time. In the next video I will come with note making chapter 5. Okay, in the next class we will do chapter 5. So thank you for your time.